Reverend Peter Kuhn will address the Council on the report of the Panel on Welfare Services. Reverend Peter Kuhn. President, as Chairman of the Panel on Welfare Services, I submit the work report for the 2025 session. During this session, members focus on multiple issues and put forward numerous practical recommendations concerning support for underprivileged groups, the quality of residential care services, resource allocation, and policy optimization, which have assisted the administration in addressing societal needs. Regarding support for underprivileged groups, members supported extending the Care Teams pilot scheme on supporting elderly and carers across the territory, but requested that the administration improve post-visit records and division of work to prevent duplication between care teams and social welfare department services. Members welcomed the trial launch of the carer database in July this year and urged the administration to promptly review its effectiveness and plan for full implementation to achieve early detection and early intervention. Regarding employment for persons with disabilities, members considered that the trend towards widespread technology adoption should be leveraged to create more suitable positions. Members also recommended enhancing the Strive and Rise program and expanding the scope of community living room services to ensure poverty alleviation measures better meet grassroots needs. Members noted that adequate manpower is a key factor in enhancing the quality of residential care services. Given that certain provisions of the Residential Care Homes Legislation Miscellaneous Amendments Ordinance 2023 have come into operation, members requested the administration to increase inspection frequency and rigorously address non-compliance cases. Regarding the newly established health and care practitioner rank, members emphasized the necessity of providing competitive remuneration and high-quality training to attract and retain talent. Regarding the importation of care workers into residential care homes, members requested that the administration safeguard their rights and ensure local staff are given priority in recruitment, thereby balancing staffing supply with priority of local employment. Members also noted the low application rate for the dedicated fund supporting NGOs and recommended that the administration enhance publicity to encourage more organizations to apply. Concurrently, in response to society's growing demand for welfare facilities, members urged the administration to establish a systematic data collection mechanism linked to property developments and revitalization of vacant school premises and government properties to expedite the release of space, enabling welfare services to be effectively implemented and addressing society's urgent needs. Furthermore, members supported the administration to comprehensively review the Traffic Accident Victims Assistance Scheme and propose establishing a stringent checking mechanism to proactively verify the authenticity of medical certificates and prevent fraudulent claims. To align with the implementation of the mandatory reporting of child abuse ordinance in January 2026, members emphasized that all mandated reporters must complete training prior to the commencement of the ordinance. The administration should establish a dedicated hotline to ensure reporters receive support and reports are followed up on. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all panel members for their active participation and valuable input, which has enabled policy recommendations to be implemented and transformed into concrete measures for improving welfare services. I so submit, President.